welcome to my channel. It's me, Ruth Whiskers, and today I'm gonna do a review on Birchbox. So I decided to make another video about the Birchbox because I had a bad experience in the start. So I thought maybe it's gonna change. Well, let me tell you a little secret. It did not change at all, and you will know why. I ordered the Birchbox and it was 2 for 1 price, and I was like, don't f it up again, okay? So they did. These are the Birchboxes that I got. Don't they look the same? So yeah, they sent me 2 same Birchboxes with almost the same things in them. In August I got this same theme Birchbox. So now you can see I have like 3 same Birchboxes. Let's begin. Let's begin. So when I opened the box, I already knew something ain't right. So for me to be double sure that it's not the same box I got before, all I have to do is look at this little book that I have been doing before, and it says Happy August Birchboxes. Birchboxes. So it's a Mermaid Vibe August 2017 box, and I'm like, great. And the funny fact also is that the other box doesn't even have a leaflet in it. So for me to understand anything what's happening here, it's just like a mystery box. So the first item that you get in an August box is this. And it is a Spectrum Collection full-size brush. The thing that I already don't like about is the packaging was open already, so I was like, okay. But it also has a dent there, so I'm like, great. So it says for a set you get it for like £60, and there were like 6 brushes as I remember from August, and it will be a tenner for this. Well, great. We have this full size, and it's the shadow stick. I got the exact same color in the previous box. Thanks for that, I have another one. The next item is the Sugar Texturizing Spray. Looks like this. It's something for hair that creates loose, shiny waves without any crunch. So it's a styling thingy for your hair. It never work on me anyway, so let's try it a little bit. Oh great, the package is already opening on its own. Good start. Well, it smells nice. You can style your hair. They say it's not sticky or doesn't make a crunch, but it feels like it. Maybe I have to like brush it out or something. It's a little bit sticky. Big package, you get it for £20. The brush, as I said, is a tenner, and that Birchbox exclusive eyeshadow stick is £8. That's what they say though. So the next item is this little, looks like a nail polish, but I don't think it is. It's an oil, and it says here it's the Dry Oil Shimmer. It has 6 essential oils in it plus vitamin E. It says it gives you a hint of golden radiance to your skin, body, hair, and wherever you fancy. So is that like a glitter kind of oil thing? Not quite sure. Okay, it just opens like that. A little bit of perfumey kind of smell. I'm gonna try it on my finger. Comes out like this. You can't see it. And if you put it on your hand, I guess. It's an oil texture. It gives you like a shimmery look. It disappears though, although it's on my finger. So well, apparently you can use it for your body, for your face, for your hair, just to give that little shimmer. I guess it's not bad. It smells nice as well. It says here, pour a little into your hand, then pat onto cheekbones, smooth down legs, or run through your hair. Maybe some people will find it useful, not me. And the last item what we have from this little box is Vita Coco. It's the coconut oil. Using organic coconut, this 100% raw blend is beauty must-have for all skin types. You can use these in soaps, you know. And it says here, this is $2.29, and massage into the dry skin to remove eye makeup or as a moisturizer. So apparently you can take off your makeup for this as well. It looks a little bit open already. So, and we open this. Looks like that. It's very hard. I think it's supposed to be hard, is it? So just like a moisturizer. It's very oily. It's supposed to be like that, I think. It's a coconut oil, so it smells like coconut a lot. I guess it's cool, but I would only know to use this in like soaps or whatsoever, so I've not ever used this before. Can you eat this? It actually gives you calorie count, so you can. This says a natural food and beauty multitasker for cooking, baking and frying, or application directly to the skin and hair. So yeah, you just get a little package of a coconut oil. So strange. Alrighty, so the next extra box, so I don't know what that box even is this one, and it actually reminds me a lot of the one I had before as well. So the first item in this box, again, is the same brush as in the previous one, Spectrum. At least this one is not as broken and doesn't have any dents, so we already know it's like a 10er. I have had this in my previous Birchbox as well. It's the Wave and Shine spray for your hair. So it's something similar to whatever this was, this high performance hair care. So they technically do like the same thing. Okay. Bloody. So yeah, the same thing, putting your hair, wow. It smells worse than the other one though. And this old thing is just making my hair very sticky, and I'm not liking this. But I think it does the job. The products themselves are not the worst, it's just the way they presented it, and they shouldn't even like give me the August stuff, because I was waiting for the January box. So what is this? The next item we have here is the Dusty, not sure, but it's a mascara punk volumizer. I think I had this one before as well. I think I gave it away. So it's a very big brush in a very small package. So it's like a punk volumizer. I think it does the job, does the trick, but it's a very small, like you can use like 5 times maybe and it's done. It's done. I think I've seen this in the shops and I'm not sure how much they are, and I don't have anything around me to tell me how much would they be, so that's cool. Next item is this Radiance. It's a Balance Me Treatment Radiance face mask for all skin types, and it says here a triple action face mask with cowl and clay, gently polishing walnut shells and fruit acid. So we get this little tube of a small mask thingy. Well, at least it's sealed. Yeah, it's just a white mask, as you can see here. Well, it's not even coming out. So yeah, just put it on your face. Let's see if it has any smell. It has just the creamy kind of a texture. What kind of mask? Are you sure it's a mask? Face mask. So apparently you have to smooth over face, leave for 5 minutes before removing with a damp cotton cloth. So you don't even wash it off, you just like put it all over your face and then you just like smear it off. It smells herby. Again, I have smelled this before. Every time I get something from Birchbox they smell the same, so I don't know. And the last item from the box is the same as I had before. This LOC full-sized eye shimmer, was it? Eyeshadow shimmer, but this one is a different color, so this one is a brown. So at least they gave me 2 different colors. But I'm so disappointed. Like when I opened the box I was thinking, well, should I even make this video? Because I did write a complaint to them and say Are you joking? Like, even if somebody started to subscribe to you, because I did cancel my previous one because I really hated it, the previous boxes, and I was like, well, I'm gonna try it again and see, maybe they improved themselves, but they didn't. I think they just go downhill. I would not recommend to buy them, especially if you buy one box and it's a tenner for one box. I don't think it's worth it. So at least for 2 boxes it was worth it, because at least I got something out of it. But usually the items are so small, they are just tester size, and I better pay £30 for the no make no life. They have quality, the items are full size, and it's much more fun for me. And they're from Japan as well, and it's shipped from Japan, and here you have to pay $2.95 for shipping, and you have to pay tenner for the box. No. So it's up to you if you like these kind of boxes, but I don't recommend anyone, especially if you really like makeup. I do not recommend this box to you at all. And I think they're some kind of scammers anyway, like scammed me twice now. The previous time I had the same problem, the box didn't come, and then they're like, oh, we did send you one. So good luck if you are ordering it. Let's hope you don't have the same problems I have. And I hope you enjoyed my video. I gave my honest response of these boxes. As I paid for them, I can do it. So hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for our next one. Thank you, bye!